Okay, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. We'd like to thank you for your interest in one of our custom crate engines. What we happen to have on the test stand here today is our Chevy 454 with about 550 horsepower. This thing comes with a full roller cam, a brand new rotating assembly from Eagle. This has Edelbrock heads on it. This has a beautiful style track system on it, a big Holley carburetor, and an MSD distributor. Again, we custom build these engines in-house. This engine had to be custom painted. It's painted red, custom painted the valve covers. We can do all different kinds of modifications. All you have to do is sit down, call us, and we'll design something for you if you like something different than what we show you here. I'd like to fire this up and give you a little run demo. Here at Proformance Unlimited, we guarantee you almost shit your pants in our engines. Beautiful engines, we build reliability. Horsepower and reliability is what we build here at Proformance Unlimited. If you're interested in one of our engines, 1-800-267-3940. Thank you for your interest in logging on, and do not forget, you can watch us live on our webcam. And remember, the proof is in the performance. Thank you.